Hey, assalamu alaikum everyone. So welcome back to the Jasmy update today, and Jasmy is pretty much at a place where I think is one of the best buying places ever. So you have this sideways, support and resistance. So if you look at it, you had an influencer fake out here, move to the upside, a touch here, move to the upside, one touch, move up, and you now have another touch. This is one of the best places to buy. Now I can tell you a lot of complex patterns out there in the world. Okay, there are harmonic patterns, this and that, so many different things. But what I love about trading is simplicity. Okay, you can trade the most simplest pattern and be profitable. And talking of simplest pattern, Jasmy has one right now, and it's almost as if I can really recommend someone to trade this. It's the most simplest pattern a beginner can do. I mean, if you're a parent right now, take your kid and maybe introduce your kid to this video, because this can actually be or can serve as a wonderful starting point to what chart reading really is. Okay, and by that, maybe since the kid is going to watch, let's actually talk about support and resistance. You have your support up here. That means that, sorry, resistance. This is not support, this is resistance. Resistance where prices are resisted to push higher. And you got rejected, came down, you came up again, you got rejected, you came down, and you also try to come up again, you got rejected, and then you came to the downside. So that is also known as your resistance. And now you have the most simplest of all, which is your support right down over here. So if I do drag this a little bit lower, you have the place where Jasmy touched, pumped up, it touch again, pump to the upside, it touch again, move to the upside, and now you have touched it one more time. Now when you combine this resistance and when you combine this support, this too can actually be called a parallel channel. And there is a tool on the left here, or probably right over here somewhere, which I forgot. I hope that I get it. I'm just gonna search for it. And where is that stupid parallel channel? I'm really trying. I'm gonna figure out where it is. Oh, come on, come on, come on, come on. People are watching. I swear, man, I just don't remember where this was placed, but I'm still gonna try to see if I can get it one more time. Okay, I think it's somewhere right over here, this rectangle, ellipse, polyline, down. I think it's, yeah, it's this triangle actually. So if we remove the lines itself, and you can actually use the, the rectangle as shown there, you can actually see something like that as well. But I don't really like this one. I was actually trying to search for parallel channel. But anyways, now let's say, Jasmy comes down and loses this thing. Let's say you come down like this, you lose that support, all right? This is not a support. And you go for the retest, then this support here can turn into a resistance, as you see right over here. Except if you don't make a fake out and go back up like that, that's a different story. But if you end up getting rejected here, you may push down and you may see Jasmy going all the way from there to there, and this can actually push all the way down to nearly 9711. But based on history, based on what you saw here, it is expected that Jasmy in the future starts to make a move all the way back up to 2500, and this is going to be a price achievement of 55% move to the upside. We're talking about investing $1,000 and getting $550. Now, previously we've seen a move up in nearly, how many days was this? This took 7 days, okay, to go back up. Now from there to almost this here, but even this one right here took 6 days. So in 6 days you're making an average move of maybe 50%, 45%. So if we take 7 more days until 9 of May, which is actually somewhere right over here, you may actually expect a nice good maybe between 40 to 50% increase to the upside if the support is going to be held. Hope you enjoyed the video, makes a lot of sense, and I'm going to see you in the next one in the office.